All done. We put a little transition piece there. Oh, it's the original that was already there. And I just butted up the tile straight to the carpet, so I didn't even touch the carpet on this side. Put all the doors back on. Everything was tucked in under the baseboards. Nothing had to be moved. Got the washer and dryer back in. And we ended up getting tile all the way up to that. Worked around the water heater. And the refrigerator back in. Put our C-truck there. And there, the carpet came out to this area. All this was carpet. And so that's it. It's done. We went ahead and left that strip there. Just cut it right there.